Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to practice drawing a punch action and one that is coming straight toward, more or less straight toward the viewer. So to begin, we just take any pencil. I would recommend a lead pencil. I'm just using a colored pencil, and you will see the purpose behind that momentarily. So we'll just put in a casual oval there, and then right about here, one arc, circle, circle, smaller, bigger, and then one arc going through like so, just two arcs like that, intersecting each other like so, and then another circle right there, another circle right there, arc, arc. Let's put a line like this right there, and then an oval about there. Now the idea is to bring out the hand first. So there we will begin right there with a closed fist, and as you know, you have to model your own hand, probably like so, or could be straight, but again, try to model your own hand, or just Google some images so that you have something handy to use in terms of anatomy. But usually it is somewhere around there, the thumb, and then the index finger, middle finger, and then the smallest finger right there. So that is really pretty much the bulk of the picture, because that is the highlight. Now behind that, there's many different things you can do. You do not necessarily need to show the forearm and then the bicep and then the shoulder, because the hand is engulfing most of it. It'll really depend on the angle. Right here, the figure could be, might as well be right behind it right here, and looking at it from this angle like so, or it could be here, and in that case you will draw a bit of the bicep if you're going with this guy here. So a bit of the bicep right there, and a shoulder right over there. That goes into the chest, and somewhere like that, and you have this guy throwing a punch, somewhat like that. But so if it is this guy right here, in that case you will just use this portion mostly, and the torso will be somewhere there, and some of it behind right there. So that is the idea. So I'll just make one of these angles more elaborate so as not to confuse our dear viewers there. So we basically put in an arc right there, circle, 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 biggest circle right there. And I then drew that closed fist right there, and I had mentioned that the anatomy will of course vary with what you source online, or you can use your own hand as a model to begin with. And in this case the torso would be somewhere there, and there we will have the face peering up from behind the rest of the anatomy. So there we have it. That is one quick way of putting out that punch. In this pose, as you can imagine, that it's very instrumental. Perhaps characters like Green Arrow also use it, and there will be that huge longbow in the foreground, and you could have the other arm going like so, also at a certain angle, the elbow, the arm, the fist holding an arrow coming right through there. But that is again just one of the purpose that is highlighted here. So that is the idea of getting that fist out right in front, or more or less in front of the body. I hope this has been of some help. Please do keep practicing. It is a lot of fun. It's a bit challenging to draw this pose, but it is also very dynamic when it comes out. So little patience, a pencil and eraser, and just keep going at it until you figure it out, like here, over here, right in front, with the torso at the back, as I had mentioned before. And please do hit like and subscribe. Keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.